All right, welcome back to our next PLTW IED screencast. In today's episode, what we're going to do is look at activity 7.1, part number 5, which is going to be dimensioning for holes, diameters, and also some fillets. So let's get started. So I go to place views, I go to base, and I want to select 7.1 number 5 holes, which should have been previously created. So I'm going to move that into position. I got my front, top, and side view, and I'm going to hit OK. And so there's my multi-view drawing. Now, normally in the past, I have only done the front view. But today, since there's more hole features on the top view, I'm going to do the top view and let you guys do the front and the side view. So the first thing I want to address are these two holes right here. So you notice you have this hole and thread notes. It says it adds a hole and thread note with a leader. So we're going to click on that and grab that, and it says it's 0.5 inches diameter through. So that's great. But notice how these two are the same. So I'm going to hit the escape key, and I'm going to add something to this. So I go over here, make it turn red, double click, and notice how I can type into it. So all I wanted to do to add to this is type X2 and hit enter. So times 2, that tells me that these two holes are exactly the same. All right, so now I go back to dimension for my fillets, and I roll over that, and notice how you get the green dot. You don't want the green dot. So just click on your fillet without the green dot, and it comes up with R0.25. Now, there's 2 of those also. So I want to add to that. So I'm going to type X2 after the stuff in the gray. We're going to leave the stuff in the gray alone. And then I'm going to hit OK. So this tells me that both of these radiuses on the fillets are exactly the same. So that's why I have the X2. Now you can go ahead and datum dimension the rest of the part, both in the top, front, and side view on your own. Don't forget about the diameters here of these large circles, and this middle circle here should have a hole note. So we just showed you how to do a hole note right here, so you should be able to do a hole note on your own here. Also, don't forget about these rounds on the side of the part. So once you are done dimensioning everything, then go to place views, base, and we want our number 5 holes, and we want to ISO. So we're going to bring that in, put that up there, hit OK. And then the last thing is to fill out our field text, of course. So we're going to do 7.1 number 5 and put our name in. And scale here is 1:1. And we will hit OK. And there we have our drawing of part number 5. So I go to save as, and I want to save it as (7.1) number 5. And there we go. This was a short one, but there's a lot to do on your own, even though I've shown you the basics. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe.